Okay, this is Bailey's two girl puppies, the last Fiona girl puppy, and the little cockapoo puppy. The biggest one is the cockapoo. The cockapoo is the big one right there, just topped over the other puppy. And the dark red one is Fiona's last puppy. That's the cockapoo right there, all by herself. Fiona's puppy's the really dark one, right there. And on the blanket is the cockapoo, and Bailey's little girl who's right here. There's the little one. And that's Fiona's puppy and the cockapoo. Bailey's big puppy has a slipper in her mouth, and cockapoo and Bailey's little puppy are on the blanket. And that's Bailey's little smaller red puppy and the cockapoo. And Fiona's puppy just joined in. There's Fiona's puppy.